Hi friends, in this video I am going to share with you another important topic for the prelims 2023, which is definitely going to come in the UPSC prelims examination 2023. Guys, this topic is, you can see here, the topic is Vaikum Satyagraha. Topic is Vaikum Satyagraha. First of all, they can ask you what was Vaikum Satyagraha. Vaikum Satyagraha was a temple entry movement. In the South India. Temple entry movement in the South India. So what was it? So guys, exactly you can see here in Kerala. In Kerala there was a temple, Vaikum Temple, and it was a movement called Vaikum Temple Street Entry Movement in 1924. And this year we are observing 100th anniversary of the Vaikum Satyagraha. So it was a non-violent movement. It was a Satyagraha movement for entry of people from all community to the temple. So guys, they can ask you who were the leaders who were associated with this movement. So you can see here the names have been given. The name was T.K. Madhavan, then K.P. Keshava Menon, then George Joseph. Even Mahatma Gandhi supported this movement. Because it was a Satyagraha movement. And in the end, the movement was led by no other than Periyar Ramaswamy, E.V. Ramaswamy. Periyar that time was the president of Tamil Nadu Congress. So this is an important fact which is related to this movement, Vaikum Satyagraha. Vaikum Satyagraha was led by leaders like Periyar, then T.K. Madhavan, then K.P. Keshava Menon, then George Joseph. Even there were some other leaders. You can see here some other leaders also from Tamil Nadu. You see Periyar and Kovai Aya Muthu. And there are some names mentioned in this book also. You can see this book. In this book there is a important chapter, the struggle for Gurudwara reform and temple entry. Why this Gurudwara reform and this temple entry both are linked? Because even the Akalis from Punjab came to support the Vaikum Satyagraha by supplying them food to the protesters. So this Akali movement or the Gurudwara reform movement is linked to this. Because the Gurudwara reform movement, the Akalis, they also supported this Vaikum Satyagraha. Again I repeat, Mahatma Gandhi supported this movement, and this movement was a Satyagraha movement. This movement was a non-violent movement. It is very important. And further, one more important point what we can they can frame is that Sanchara resolution, which was in favor of this temple entry. Which was in favor of the temple entry. You can see here Sanchara resolution was taken up for voting in assembly in 1925 and was defeated by a single vote. Mahatma Gandhi, who was in Kerala, held talks with the Queen of Travancore, social reformer Narayan Guru. So Narayan Guru is also very important, guys. Narayan Guru is also one of the very important reformers in the South India. Narayan Guru, one God, that one temple, one God. Then in the end what? There was a decision taken by the princely state of Travancore, and it was declared that people could enter the 3 of the 4 streets around the Vaikum temple, thus bringing the protest to an end. And it was a victory celebration, and this victory celebration was basically presided by no other than Periyar. So guys, Vaikum Satyagraha is definitely very important question which can come in the UPSC prelims. What they will ask is not Vaikum Satyagraha, simple question they are not going to ask. What is Vaikum Satyagraha? Vaikum Satyagraha was definitely a temple entry movement. What they can ask you is who were the leaders who were associated with this movement. Then the leaders will be what? You can see here the leaders will be T.K. Madhavan, K.P. Menon, and George Joseph. Periyar, you can see here Kovai Aya Muthu, and there were 2 more leaders which this book mentions. One is what? P. Krishna Pillai, and another leader A.K. Gopalan is also mentioned here in this book. You can see here this leaders like K.P. Krishna Pillai and A.K. Gopalan also favored this movement. So this is a very important development which has taken place in the modern India, particularly in 1924. And 1924, this year they are celebrating 100th anniversary. And guys, one more thing you can remember is that Akalis from Punjab, the Gurudwara reform movement, So they supported this Vaikum Satyagraha. So even Gurudwara reform movement question can be coming, okay, on Gurudwara reform movement also. So I am giving you two important topics for this year's prelims which you should read, and from where you should read the basics. If you want to read the basics, you can read from this book. Okay, the chapter is the struggle for Gurudwara reform and the temple entry. Please read this chapter. Definitely one question is going to come from this chapter. And this year, okay, and this year social reforms are very important, particularly social reformers from South India. You can see here Narayan Guru, you can see here Periyar. Okay, so very important. Even Justice Party is also very important this year. So please prepare this section thoroughly. Okay, at least 2 questions you can expect from this section. Guys, if you are liking the way I am giving you every day some important topics for the prelims 2023, please do support my video and please help these videos to reach more and more students. Guys, I am doing this, okay, and I can tell you, whoever prepares all my topics which I will be giving in the next 50-55 days, I can definitely tell you he will definitely crack the prelims examination if he prepares each and every topic. Guys, you should also, okay, take questions on these topics. Okay, I am framing some important questions on these topics which is part of the Optima, so you can take those tests also. Thank you guys. Bye bye, take care.